Hey, this is Mr. Masonette, and what we're going to do in this tutorial is we're going to practice solving for x. Now with this particular equation, as you can see, we have a lot going on. We have a fractional exponent as well as a negative exponent. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by getting our variable on the same side of our equation. So you can see that we're dividing by x squared. So what we're going to do is multiply both sides by x squared. Now on the left-hand side, our x squares cancel out. And that leaves us with 8 to the 2/3 power on the left. And on the right, we have 20x to the negative first power. Now, the reason we get a -1 is because when multiplying bases that are the same, you have to add the exponents. And -3 and +2 is -1. All right, what we're going to do next is we're going to take care of this negative exponent. You could always turn an exponent positive by basically writing the reciprocal of that. What I mean by that is if this were x to the first power, the reciprocal of that would be 1 over x. Now, let me give you another example of that. Let's say you had 5 to the negative second power. All right, now a lot of people at first glance think that would be -25, but that's not true. A negative exponent indicates a fractional value. So if this were 5 to the second power, we know that's equal to 25. But 5 to the negative second power would be the reciprocal of 25, which would be 1/25. So x to the negative first basically would be the reciprocal of x to the first, which is 1 over x. That is why we can simply move that x to the bottom. So now that is x to the positive first power, which can just be written as x. All right, what we're going to do next is take care of this fractional exponent here. Now, the numerator is basically the power we raise 8 to. So 8 to the second power is 64. And the denominator is the root in question. In this case, we have to find the cubic root of 64 and set that equal to 20 over x. All right, now the cubic root of 64 is equal to 4. Now on the right-hand side of our equation, we still have 20 divided by x. So what we're going to do is multiply both sides by x and move it to the other side, and that leaves us with 4x is equal to 20. And at this stage, we can see that x has to equal 5 because 4 times 5 is the only thing equal to 20.